Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Athallah Z.A X RPL. I'm from Software Engineering class, and today I will explain to all of you guys apps that I recommend. Oh, first, Activity Main. Activity Main, this is a recycle view. So, recycle view is a list, is a layout for your item. In recycle view, you have to add ID or his ID. After that, you go to the recycle home, and in that recycle home, this is the item that you want to show in home. Because I made this apps is of motorcycle, so it's a picture of motorcycle, the name of the motorcycle, and a little description of the motorcycle. Forget to add the ID. Okay, after you finish it, you go to data motor object. You put data motor object, and you put variable with a file and add name of the motor, the description of the motor, and the picture of the motor. I just add 3, and in this object, in this data is not identified. It's just data, not have name. So if you want to identify it, you have to make class. The name is motor, because this app is motor, model, and motor. So make this variable name extend to string, and variable gambar picture extend to int, because it's picture. And in the home, there is only name, description, and picture, so I only add this. So you fill the class motor with this, come back to object, to data motor, scroll to the down, and make this file is data motor analysis motor. So this data motor extend to motor, to the class motor. The list are a list of motor, so variable list is same, and it's become list. Variable list is same like motor, like class of motor. Then variable motor, it's same, it's equals motor. So motor same like class. Motor dot name equals motor, name of the motor name, motorcycle name. So this name of the motor is same like name this. So this is filled by the data, the object from this nama motor, and also the description and the picture too. And then list, variable list, add motor. So the motor, the class has become list, and the list is filled by the data, the object from motor, and motor is filled by this data. After the motor class is filled by data from object, object data motor, we go to adapter to uh, to intent or moving the data to the home. Okay. This there is a function the name is onCreate view holder. onCreate view holder is for make a new view holder that which is for show the layout that you wanted to show. Like this, I wanted to show data recycle home, so I called the ID of data recycle home and put in here. Then data recycle home will be showing. So the function of this onCreate view holder is to showing the layout that you wanted to show, you wanted to use. Then operate find on bind view holder. This is for this is function of this function is to add data from motor take data from data motor. So glide is for picture, so he load the data from motor and take pictures from gambar in this, and this variable is take the pictures from this the motor into holder into gambar motor image view image gambar motor to gambar motor, so ID gambar motor, then holder txt name dot text, because this is a text, so dot text equals motor dot name. So you take the data from class and class take the data from the object data motor. So the model or the motor class is this for connecting from data to adapter. So data move to motor and move to the adapter. Okay, same. And this function is get item count. This is for size of your items. If there's 10 items, it's just 10. That could be 11 or 12, just 10. Just 10, only 10. Cannot. So, and now I'm going to show to all of you guys the result of this coding. So, run it and wait for a moment. Terminate and succeed. This is the result. Workload limited. Like workload limited, workload stripbot, webbot. If we click it, continue. So maybe that's all of me. Sorry if I have mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.